A beautiful day at sea.
Indeed.
Good morning.
We were just admiring the view.
Hope you guys are having a good time aboard.
I must say, the warmer air is a welcome change.
Captain Uncle, tell us, where are we going? I feel so lost in the ocean. There is just water everywhere.
Darling little girl, having started from Calcutta, in just a few days we will reach Pondicherry. And as far as the waters, dear, we are in the ocean. So there is going to be water all around. And you little tiny tot, here is a little toy of a sea animal for you.
What is it called, Captain Uncle?
Whale, sir, a whale!
That's right, a whale.
Not this, Captain. You have to rush to the cabin and take a look. It is huge. We were hoping we'd be wrong, sir.
No! It's definitely a whale. Heading straight towards our ship. Oh my goodness!
What on earth is happening?
Blistering barnacles! There is a raging storm right behind it. And the whale is probably trying to escape the storm. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain. We are experiencing some rough weather. I would request every one of you to please vacate the sun deck immediately and return to your cabins.
जय नीलाचलनाथ 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 पालनम जय जय जगन्नाथ 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 रक्षा मां महाबाहो 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 त्राहि मां.
Pardon my intrusion, sir, but what is it that you are doing in this moment of peril? Are you not aware of the impending danger?
When was there a time in this world when there was no danger? I am praying to Lord Jagannath. He is the Lord of universe. He is the controller of all controllers. He is the supreme father of all living entities. Nothing in this world moves without his will. I have full faith in Lord Jagannath. He will surely protect us.
जय भक्तवत्सल 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 मंगलम.
Oh, Jesus! Unbelievable! The storm has strangely changed its direction, and so has the whale. We are safe! Ah, sir, your faith in your Lord has miraculously saved us today.
He always does.
I truly admire your devotion. I shall surrender my life to him and present the bell of my chamber in his honor at his temple.
We thus present our drama, Mathura meets Vrindavan on the chariot of love. Odisha, also known as Kalinga and Utkal, has endured the scars of several bloody wars and the relentless fury of nature, and yet it stands as India's best-kept secret, preserving a treasured storehouse of sacred age-old traditions, ancient classical arts, and untouched pure devotion. However, it is Sri Kshetra Jagannath Puri that beats as the spiritual heart of the land of Odisha and proudly boasts the iconic Jagannath temple, where the language of every stone translates into the language of pure devotion. Here, the Lord of the Universe, Jagannath Swami, rules not from a golden throne, but from the hearts of his devotees, and majestically rides on the chariot of love. During the grand Rath Yatra that rolls forth like a river of grace, where millions flock to get a glimpse of his oceanic smile and honor his Mahaprasad as divine mercy. It was here that Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wept, prayed, and danced in divine ecstasy. Thus, Odisha is not merely a place, it is a sacred doorway into the mystical pastimes of the Lord of the universe.
गजपति महाराज रामचंद्र देव की जय.
Are we ready to counter the attack of Taki Khan?
Yes and no, Maharaj.
Meaning?
Our forces are weakened and recovering from the previous attack of the Nizam of Hyderabad. We have received confirmation of full support from all local tribal chiefs.
Good.
But some zamindars, out of fear, have defected to the Mughal side, Maharaj.
Cowards! Since the Nawab of Bengal has installed this Taki Khan as a Subedar of Utkal, he has spread a reign of terror. He is fanatical, politically greedy, and most importantly, dared to violate the sanctity of our Jagannath temple and imposed heavy taxes on pilgrims. Yes, we have a much smaller army, but they are highly skilled in bowmanship and sword fight.
But the Mughals have cannons and a much larger infantry and cavalry.
We carry the legacy of the Bhoi dynasty and have inherited the title of Gajapati. And hence, we are the custodians of the sacred heart of Utkal, our Jagannath temple. We must keep it unconquered, unbroken, and resplendent at any cost.
Maharaj, the deities of Jagannath, Baldev and Subhadra Maharani have been secretly moved on palanquin last night to Banapur via Chilika, then to Athagad, and finally deep in the Ganjam forest.
Also, the Ratna Bhandar has been safely secured.
Very good. A small lamp is fire and refuses to bow down before a storm, even knowing it may be extinguished.
Unfortunately, in the war that followed, Maharaj Ramchandra Dev was defeated, captured, and imprisoned.
Maharaj Ramchandra Dev, the great Gajapati of the small kingdom of Khurda. How does it feel to be in our Varpati Fort prison house? Maharaj?
Taki Khan! Your power comes from your Emperor Shahenshah Muhammad Shah, sitting on a throne of Delhi, infamously called Rangila due to being born in the hands of women and slave to wine. But our power rises from our faith, surrender, and devotion for the one who sits on the throne of our heart, the Lord of the universe, Lord Jagannath!
I can see the lion is in chains, but still roaring. Impressed. You have a choice. You either remain rotting here in this beautiful prison, or I have a beautiful sister Razia, and I am proposing that you accept her hand in marriage.
Never!
The choice is yours. And the choice is obvious. Since you have practically nothing to eat in this dungeon, you can chew on my proposal? Maharaj!
तकलीयत Maharaj Ramchandra Dev.
Who is that?
I am Razia.
Oh, so you're Razia. Your brother Taki Khan's evil plan is to bind me in family ties with you and gain greater control over my subject and extract more taxes without fear of political intrigue or local resistance.
I know of the storm raging in your mind regarding my cousin brother's proposal, but I'm feeling compelled to tell you something about my birth today, which I haven't shared with anyone.
Your birth?
My mother was a devout Hindu who was forced into marriage with a Muslim. But I also worship Jagannath as the Lord of my life. So I suggest that you accept Taki Khan's proposal.
But the guardians of religion will reject my Hindu status because I touched you.
In that case, I promise that you can marry me, but never have to touch me. This sacrifice that we both will make today is the only way to safeguard the Jagannath Shri Mandir from desecration by the Yavanas.
You not only have physical beauty, but also deep devotional wisdom.
Did you hear? To get released from prison, Ramchandra Dev married Razia.
Dushtatma. He has fallen from being a devout servant of Lord Jagannath and he has become slave of lust.
Pashandi Patitajiv. Now what about his privileges?
As custodians of the sanctity of our traditions, from now on he cannot enter the temple and cannot sweep the road before Rath Yatra.
And also, no entrance of Ramchandra Dev during lighting of Mahadeep on Ekadashis on top of the temple for his protection.
I have also heard that all his Hindu queens deserted him and returned back to their father's house.
This misfortune is the result of becoming Pattabhrashta.
And not only that, he has now been given the name Hafiz Qadar Khan.
Vishnu.
Now, my dear brothers, you can practically see how the illusory energy, Maha Maya, can bewilder even a staunch devotee like Ramchandra Dev.
Daily in the dead of night, Ramchandra Dev would come from Khurda and express his bereaved heart, standing at the Simhadwara gate.
Oh my Lord Jagdol, I have lost royalty, my queens, my subject, my religious status, practically everything. It hurts me to know that my own people have misunderstood me and rejected me. But what agonizes me the most, oh Lord Purushottam, is that I am unable to behold your blessed darshan. Something which my eyes used to feast on and my heart would rejoice for so many years, every day. Now, forlorn and dejected, this lowly servant is seeking your shelter. Oh Antaryami, you know my heart, You know my thought, my motivation. Oh Jagbandhu, oh Dinanath, when will I be able to behold your ever smiling, resplendent form again? This Ramchandra Dev has no one but you, my Lord Jagannath.
Unable to resist the cries of his dear devotee, one night,
Chaturabhuja Jagannath Kantha Shobhita Kaustava Padmanabha Veda Garva Chandashuya Vilakana.
My dear Ramchandra Dev, being present in your heart, I know your innermost secrets. The supreme sacrifice you have made for my sake made you lose everything of this world, but has earned you my personal darshan, which is rarely achieved.
Oh Dinabandhu, my beloved Lord, you have come for me? When all doors of the world become closed, there is one door which always remains open for those who call you with helplessness and love, my Lord.
Your stream of tears were like ropes pulling me from my Ratna Simhasana to the Simhadwar. Just as you are eager to see me, so was I eager to see you. It was not within my power to stay within the temple.
Balabhadra Vasudeva Madhava Madhusudana Vendari Bundari Kaksha Banamali Bala.
Did you see what has been happening every morning?
Are you talking about these Diana flowers and ornament of Lord that are scattered daily?
Yes, all the way from Ratna Simhasan right up to Simhadwar.
I have never seen or heard anything like this before.
Adbhut Karmana.
this incident kept recurring until one night Lord Jagannath came in the dream of Rajguru and resolved the mystery.
Hare, the Rajguru Paramalakshmi is coming here.
Jai Jagannath.
Jai Jagannath. Listen, my dear brothers. Yesterday, Lord Jagannath appeared in my dream and told me he was displeased with the decision of our temple management of not allowing his dear devotee Ramchandra Dev inside the temple.
Oh, really?
Yes. Jagannath said that therefore he has been coming to the Simhadwar to bestow his darshan on Ramchandra Dev every day.
The Lord has rectified our grave mistake of misunderstanding our devoted king.
And he has personally restored his immaculate character and unblemished pristine love for Lord Jagannath.
In my opinion, in order to commemorate this extraordinary affectionate dealing of our Kalia Thakur and Maharaj Ramchandra Dev, we shall install his deity form right here at the entrance so that he may have his darshan daily without breaking the rules of the temple.
Yes, yes.
Good decision. Good decision.
From today onwards, this magnificent form will be famous as Patita Pavan Jagannath and will give his merciful darshan regardless of caste, creed and religion to all those aspiring souls who are not allowed entry into his temple.
Jai Patita Pavan Jagannath.
Jai Jagannath. Jai.
Swami
Just as not everyone is qualified to enter the sacred and mystical temple of Lord Jagannath, so also only true connoisseurs of ecstatic prema can penetrate the intimate esoteric pastimes of Rasik Shekhar Krishna.
Jayadev Goswami?
Jai Jagannath. I am surprised someone has come to meet me in this lonely forest.
I am carrying the blessed order of Lord Jagannath.
For me?
Well, Jagannath's order is that you accept the hand of my daughter Padmavati in marriage.
What? What are you saying? Oh Brahman, I am just a poor ascetic fixed in a vow of renunciation. You should certainly marry your daughter to a wealthy, qualified Brahman who is well situated in society. You can see, I have no assets except my writings and my worshipable deities, Shri Shri Radha Madhav.
Please, I beg you, don't turn it down.
Lord Jagannath may keep thousands of Devi Dasis in his service, and that will only enhance his opulence. But for me, to keep even one wife will be a huge burden. So please take her back.
But in all circumstances, I must follow the order of Lord Jagannath. So Padmavati, I am requesting you to stay here, and from now on, consider this as your home.
May you always remain happy, my child.
Ever since I heard from the Lord, I have already accepted you as my husband, my master, my Lord. And if you do not accept me, then I will fall down at your feet and give up my life.
All right. If this is divinely ordained, then so be it. Padmavati, your association has nourished and enhanced my devotion for our beloved Shri Shri Radha Madhav and given it a newfound expression to my poetry.
Please do not embarrass me, Swami. It is your poetic compositions, being saturated with deep devotional mellows, which blossoms the flower of my consciousness with the sweet fragrance of Krishna Prem. Especially your latest rendition of the Geet Govind. Every verse will deeply touch the chords of the hearts of those Rasik Bhaktas who simply live to love and cry for Shri Krishna.
However, I am feeling hesitant to write the verse of...
I can see your eyes are moist and your lips are trembling with some urge to glorify. Yet, there seems to be some deep inner conflict created by mixed bhav of devotional fear and maybe even sacred shyness.
I am seeking divine sanction to validate the scene I am seeing through the window of my soul. How can I pen a scene in which he, whose lotus feet are worshipped in countless universes, catch the feet of his devotee Srimati Radhika and beg with tearful eyes for forgiveness to pacify her indignant sulkiness? Anyways, Padmavati, you prepare lunch while I go and take a bath. Padmavati?
Oh Swami, you have returned so soon? But don't worry, Prasad is ready. Please come and honor it.
Chaturbuja Jagannath Kantha Shobhita Kaustava Padmanabha Veda Garva Chandra
Padmavati always fasts until she has served me. But today she's taking her meal before me. Padmavati?
How is it that you're coming from outside when just a minute ago you went into your room?
But I just came now. One minute. There's a lingering aroma of flowers and chandan. And look Padmavati, this verse, the same verse that I was hesitating to pen down. That same verse, it's now shining in golden letters. Smara garala khandanam, mama sirasi mandalam, dehi pada pallavam udaram, jwalati mai daruno, madana kadanalo, hayatu tad upahita vikaram. Jai Jagannath, O Virah Shiromani, O Ras Bihari. Today you have accepted my Geet Govind as your own, my lord.
Swami, what are you doing?
Don't stop me, Padmavati. Don't stop me. This is no ordinary food. This is no Maha Prasad. The remnants of the merciful Lord Jagannath and the remnants of his dear maid servant.
Oh Krishna.
You're most fortunate, Padmavati. You're most fortunate. You saw the Lord face to face. He who wrote the golden letters in my form was Lord Jagannath himself. Jai Jagannath. Raghunath Patnaik ji?
Aha, Jaidev Goswami. Please come. My honor to have you in this humble weaver shop. Suno Bandhugana, our Kenduli village has become famous because of our saint poet Jaidev.
Oh no, Raghunath ji. This is Geet Govind, my humble song in glorification of Lord's pastimes. But naturally I can't spread palm leaves on Lord's delicate body. However, I have a wish to see the entire Geet Govind to be woven upon a sacred cloth to become a khandua.
Khandua? What greater honor can there be for me? The perfection of our skills to weave the very song that has flowed from your divine heart. When Jagannath wears your khandua, the whole universe will resound with your Geet Govind.
Through your hands, let this poetry on cloth be a song in thread. May each strand shine with the love of Radha Madhav. May each weave resound with the melody of divine union, an offering to my Lord of Nilachal to wear. But it must be ready during this 15 days of Anavasar, for it may then be offered at Netrotsav.
Jaidev Goswami, चिंता करो नहीं, मु तुम्हारा खांडुआ ठीक समय रे तैयार करी दिबी.
यद गोपी वदनेन्दु मंदनमभूत कस्तूरिका पत्रकम् येन लक्ष्मी कुज शतकुंभ कलशे व्यकोशम् इंदिवरम् ये निर्माण विधान सदन विधौ सिदंधनम योगिनम तनः श्यामलम.
Day and night Jaidev sang verse after verse. The weaver's hands never stopped.
कूल कुल गलद्धम मिलम उल्लासित भ्रुवल्लिकम् अलेकदर्शित भुजामूर्लोत्वदृष्टसनम् गोपीनां निभृतं निरेक्ष्य गमितां काङ्क्षचिरं चिन्तयन्
चतुर्भुज जगन्नाथ कंठशोभित कौस्तभ पद्मनाभ वेद गर्भ चंद्रसूर्य विलकना
अन्तरामुग्धा मनोहरं हरतवा क्लेशं नवकेशवा.
Oh Mahashai, who are you singing these divine verses of our dear Jayadev Goswami?
I am Krishnadev, Jayadev's elder brother. You paused your work waiting for the next verse? I will sing the next stanza so that your work can resume. But don't wake up Jayadev. He will come around when his trance breaks. Kamsarirapi samsar vasana baddha shankhala radha madhaya hridaye tatyaja vraja sundari. Who is singing the verses that are hidden in my heart?
Why? Your brother Krishnadev. He seemed to know all the verses. And he narrated and we are weaving.
But I'd have no brother.
What?
And besides that, except myself and Padmavati, no one knows the Geet Govind as yet. My dear Raghunath ji, your good fortune knows no bounds. You saw Lord Jagannath ji.
Lord Jagannath?
Yes, you heard directly from him. The all-knowing Lord who disguised as my brother.
What a great fortune.
With this incident, he has endorsed my composition and declared that it has earned his fondness and favor. Oh Jagabandhu!
Jayadev Goswami. Jai Jayadev Goswami.
My dear Chodganga Dev, my dear devotee Jayadev has made a special khandua to wrap around my body. I want you to get that outfit and offer it to me in the Annavasara Ghar right now.
From this day, I declare that the Geet Govind Khandua be offered to the Lord every evening at the time of Bada Shringar Vesh. If there is any difficulty in weaving the entire 12 sargas with its 24 songs and 272 verses, then the craftsman should at least embroider the stanza Kamsa Rihir Api Samsara, sung by Krishnadev the Lord himself. From today, we request the most fortunate Jayadev Goswami and Padmavati to sing and dance the great Geet Govinda for Lord's pleasure every day. Geet Govind Thakur ki jai. This Geet Govind composition pulls the heartstrings of Lord Bhavagrahi Jagannath so much that he doesn't relish any offering and even finds it difficult to sleep unless accompanied by the musical recitations of Geet Govinda. Geet Govind Thakur ki jai. In a small, simple, remote village, studded with thatched mud houses, ponds, and grazing cows, was born yet another jewel, whose heart too was a chariot of love. Happy was Patadevi, his devoted mother, when she heard the blind astrologer's predictions about her dear son.
Though I am blind since birth, I am fortunate to see the future of this special child. He is very intelligent and has a heart saturated with devotion. In middle age, he will renounce the world and becoming an ascetic, he will have an important place on the map of exalted sadhus. He will build temples for the Lord and in the hearts of men. God Himself has sent this child from his abode to the material world to preach his message for the deliverance of the conditioned souls.
The young Brajabandhu soon began to read, recite, and explain the Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam, and Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita at the tender age of 8 years in his native Odia language. His ancestors, the Giri family lineage, for nearly 10 generations, were all Kirtaniyas following the Odissi style Kirtan propagated by Rasikananda Prabhu and Shyamanand Prabhu in the 17th century.
Hari bolbo yaar madan mohan Hari bogo Ami ei rupete brajer pathe চলিব গো হরি বলবো আরে মদন মোহন হেরিব গো হরি.
Association with his devoted maternal uncles aroused his love for Kirtan, which he daily performed in the divine service of Gopalji, the family deity who powerfully attracted his heart throughout his life and became his life and soul.
Brajbandhu, in the 8th chapter, Krishna says, Antakalecha mameva smaran mukta kalevaram. If we remember Gopal at the time of death, we go to Gopal.
Then Mamu, please bless me so that I can always remember Gopal.
Following societal and family norms, he entered household life in 1952 and continued serving as a school teacher. Although externally Brajabandhu was executing all his duties as a Grihastha perfectly, his heart, however, yearned to dedicate his life fully to the worship of Krishna. And thus he left in April 1974 to become an ascetic in response to his inner calling.
My dear Gopal, I hereby renounce the name and identity of Brajabandhu and henceforth adopt the name Gaur Gopal. Gaur in order to follow in the teachings of Gauranga, and Gopal for remembering my most beloved Gopal Jew. Oh Gopal, please make me a yogi sannyasi. I do not desire anything else.
He travelled through the length and breadth of India, from the Himalayas to Kanyakumari. It was as if an invisible force was guiding him to the unknown crescendo of music, whose tune only his soul knew.
Very grateful to you, Ticket Master Ji, for allowing me to travel until here. What is this place?
जी भूमि तो मथुरा नगरी है बाबा जी. राधे राधे.
I have visited so many temples, mutts and ashrams, meeting various gurus, swamis and babajis. But my heart is earnestly searching for something higher and purer to quench the thirst of my soul. Having landed in Vrindavan, I am feeling that now a new chapter in my life is about to begin. International Society for Krishna Consciousness.
He is our founder Acharya, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada.
I wonder if I can meet him. Where can I see him?
You first go and meet his secretary Brahmanand Swami, and he'll fix an appointment with Srila Prabhupada for you.
Dhanyavad. Dhanyavad. Swamiji, Dandavats. I want to meet with Bhaktivedanta Swami. Will you please make an appointment with him?
Why do you want to meet him? And he can't meet just anyone.
Please, I sincerely beg of you. I have traveled the whole country looking for a genuine spiritual master. It's a very serious matter.
Just wait here. Srila Prabhupada, one sadhu has come. He wants to meet you.
Yes, send him in. What is your name?
Swamiji, Gaur Gopal.
Where have you come from?
Orissa.
Have you taken sannyas?
No, I have not taken sannyas.
I'll give you sannyas. What languages do you speak?
English, Hindi, Odia, Sanskrit and Bengali.
Good. Then you can help translate my books.
Within a short period of only 8 months, Gaur Gopal received first, second, and also sannyas diksha from Srila Prabhupada.
How is he getting sannyas, Prabhupada? He's a new man.
He is devotee from his very birth. You are new man. Your sannyas name will be Gaur Govind Swami. Now you translate my books from English to Odia, build a temple in Bhubaneswar and preach all over the world.
Gaur Govind Swami ki Jai!
From that point onwards, Gaur Govind Swami dedicated every breath, every moment and every molecule of his energy to fulfill these 3 instructions. Sometime later, ISKCON was donated 1 acre of land in Nayapalli village on the outskirts of Bhubaneswar, which was only just a deep, dense, dark jungle at the time.
Ah, you ghost! Get out of here and don't harass and disturb me. I need to stay here and serve my Gurudev. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Oh Harinam Prabhu, please deliver these poor souls who are stuck and unable to move on.
After months of hard labor and dedication, in late January 1977, Srila Prabhupada visited the temple site and stayed there for 17 days, giving his insights on the project to Srila Gaur Govind Swami Maharaj.
This place is divine. Krishna has empowered you. He will provide with all that is needed. This will be one of the best ISKCON temple in the world. I place all my mercy here. I place all my mercy here. Yes, I place all my mercy here.
We still haven't got Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra deities, and inauguration is only a couple of weeks away. We need to place the order now. Only then they can get carved in time.
Order? Who are we to order them to come? They appear out of their own sweet will. You don't worry, they will come.
Gurudev, they have come! They have come!
Who has come?
Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra and Sudarshan. One person living nearby had large-sized deities, but due to failing health, he was unable to serve them. So he decided to donate them to us, Gurudev.
Jai Srila Prabhupada!
Another foreign tour. I really appreciate that before and after every foreign tour, you travel all the way to Gadaigiri to take darshan and blessings of your dear Gopalji.
Without Gopal's blessings, how can I fulfill my Gurudev's instructions? Anyways, Ghanshyam, how are you?
Sakale Gopal Kripa.
And what have you decided about Gopal?
After my father's departure, it is becoming very difficult for me to serve Gopal and keep him happy. I have very little help here. Since you people have much more facility in ISKCON, I have decided to give Gopal to you.
What happened to you now? You were so hesitant and reluctant. Has Gopal spoken to you?
Yes, Gopal came to me.
Dear Ghanshyam, I am very interested in grand festivals and Nam Sankirtan. Now you are alone here. Gaur Govind Swami is our own relative. Why don't you give me to him? So now tell me, You will give me or not? Tell me now.
Yes, yes. I will give. I will give. I will give soon.
What happened? What will you give and whom will you give? You are speaking like a madman.
Strange. Really strange. Gopal just came and asked me if I were going to give him to Gaur Gobind Swami or not. And I said yes, yes, I will give. Gopal was standing right here near the window.
Then why are you hesitating so much? Go and donate Gopal to Srila Gurudev with whatever property you have, and Gopal will be happy. Is that not what you want?
What day was it that Gopal spoke to you? And what time?
About 12 days ago, around 2:30 in the morning.
Acha! Gopal came to me same morning at 2 o'clock. I was translating Srimad Bhagavatam and dozed off for a few moments.
You have installed replicas of myself here in Bhubaneswar and named them Radha Gopinath. So, now has Gopinath replaced me in your life?
No, my lord. How is that possible?
Gadaigiri is a house of my devotees. They have no wealth, but their mind is always on me. I can never leave them. You are not doing any service for me because Ghanshyamgiri has not given me to you. First, I have met with you. Now, I am going to Ghanshyamgiri.
So it is final. Gopal is yours.
Thank you, Ghanshyam. From my boyhood, this Gopal deity has occupied my heart. Everywhere I look, I am seeing only him. Radhanath Maharaj, I'm so happy to see you. Srila Prabhupada is very pleased with your service. Thank you very much. So, Atmanam Prabhu, today is the 7th day of the GBC meeting.
Yes, Gurudev. It is also the appearance day of Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. So there is fasting till noon and feast at 12:30. Some devotees wanted to have your darshan in the evening around 6. Is it fine, Guru Maharaj?
Yes, they can come.
Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, Dandat Pranam. Can I ask you one question?
Yes.
Maharaj, why did Chaitanya Mahaprabhu live in Jagannath Puri?
Very good question. Jagannath is Radha Viraha Vidu and Lord Chaitanya is Krishna Viraha Vidu. Do you understand? One day in Dwarka, Krishna suddenly fell unconscious, feeling separation from Srimati Radharani. Narad Muni, Uddhav and Balaram came there to try and figure out what to do. Eventually, it was decided that Narad Muni would play on his veena and sing some pastimes of Braj to revive Krishna to external consciousness. 3 chariots were prepared. Krishna came to Braj and seeing Radharani's condition, experienced the symptoms of Mahabhav. His eyes dilated and his arms and legs shrunk into his body. The form of Lord Jagannath in Puri. After a long time, the eyes of Krishna met the eyes of Radharani and their eyes locked in union. Eye to eye union. Kirtan!
I think we need a doctor. Quickly call the Kaviraj.
Gopal!
Get Gopal Juice picture.
Gopal!
Oh, Krishna! Guru Maharaj!
Nothing in Maharaj's body has failed. According to his pulse, everything is normal. Maharaj has attained Samadhi.
Krishna!
There is no other way to explain this.
प्रेमाधना करुणा प्रचुर हे नो प्रभु कोथा गेला.
Thus, on the 9th of February 1996 in Sridham, Mayapur, on the appearance day of Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, the year of Srila Prabhupada's centennial, the midst of both godbrothers and disciples, while speaking about Lord Jagannath, the Vaishnava world was shocked by the sudden passing away of Sri Srimad Gaur Govind Swami Maharaj. The heart of Gaur Govind Swami, just like Ramchandra Dev and Jaydev Goswami, was always ablaze with his love for the Lord of the universe, who rides on a chariot, not carved from wood, but on a chariot of love, where the grandeur of Mathura meets the sweetness of Vrindavan.
पर आज डोले भक्त वत्सल जिनको बोले जगन्नाथ 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 जगन्नाथ. निकले ठाकुर क्लेश हरने ब्रज के रस में सबको रंगने जगन्नाथ 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 स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे. चकडोल भी तुम जगदीश भी तुम कमल नयन तुम जगन्नाथ. कृपा सिंधु तुम दया सिंधु तुम जगबंधु तुम ही श्रीनाथ. नीलाचल चंद्र हो परम पुरुष पुरुषोत्तम श्याम सुदर्शन तुम पर ब्रह्म तुम दारु ब्रह्म तुम मदन मनोहर मोहन तुम. जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे. जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ.